In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily connect Hubspot with Microsoft Teams. This integration can significantly enhance your workflow, ensuring that your data and communications are seamlessly aligned between these two powerful platforms. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open Hubspot. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the available features and settings. Hubspot is where you'll initiate the integration process, so having your login details readily available will help you move through these steps efficiently. Once you're logged in, navigate to the trial guide section. This area is a treasure trove of resources that can assist you, especially if you're new to integrating tools within Hubspot. Here, you'll find guidance and insights to help you make the most out of your form building process. It's always good to familiarize yourself with these resources before proceeding, as a little preparation can go a long way in ensuring a smooth experience. Now head over to your homepage. From here, look for and click on the Marketplace option. The Marketplace is a hub for various integrations and services that you can sync with your Hubspot account. It offers a wide array of options that can tailor your Hubspot usage to meet specific needs, making your overall workflow more efficient and effective. Once you're in the Marketplace, locate the search bar and type in Microsoft Teams. The search function is designed to make it easy for you to find the specific tools and services you want to integrate. After entering Microsoft Teams, wait for the results to populate. Once you spot it in the list, go ahead and click on it. This will open a detailed page about the integration. Take a moment to review the details presented. This page will provide in-depth information about what the integration offers, any prerequisites, and how it can benefit your day-to-day operations. It's crucial to take the time to read through this information, as it ensures you're aware of all features and conditions of the integration. After reviewing the details and confirming that everything aligns with your needs and expectations, click on the Install button. The installation process is straightforward, and you'll be prompted to follow a series of on-screen instructions. These prompts will guide you step by step through connecting Hubspot with Microsoft Teams. Ensure you follow these carefully, as they are designed to make the integration process as seamless as possible. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have successfully connected Hubspot with Microsoft Teams. By doing so, you are now set to enjoy streamlined communication and enhanced collaboration between these two platforms, making your workflow more efficient than ever. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating.